Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can get orders on Fiverr. Here you can see this is my Fiverr profile. After that I have created some gigs. So now what are the major techniques and common reasons that you are not getting orders on the Fiverr? Step 1 is make sure that you have created your Fiverr gig that is SEO friendly. Here you can see the keywords are researchable by the buyers, and I have the same link here. So make sure that you have this type of same. After that you must have attractive thumbnail for your gig image. Scroll down, here you can see in the gig description I have added some keywords. So you can add keywords according to your category and topic. Here you can see these are some other keywords. Scroll down, here you can see in the end I have reviews. So you can purchase reviews from any sellers on Facebook and various other platforms. After that, here you can see these are the tags. Make sure that you have added one or two unique tags. Here you can see this is my unique tag. After that you can update your gigs on the daily basis. So let me edit this gig. Scroll down, here you can see I want to add one tag here. WordPress website. After that click here save. In this way you can easily update your Fiverr gigs on the daily basis. Sometimes you can change your description. Also you can change thumbnails if you are not getting orders from long time. After that you can share your gigs on various platforms. Just click here, share your gig. Here you can see these are the common platforms: Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp, and also you can copy and share links on various Facebook groups. So after that make sure that you have installed auto reload extension, auto refresh plus. Here you can see this is the extension that I have installed. Just click here and you can see here various functionalities. Just click here, random interval. After that click here start. Let me bookmark this page. So here you can see I can select bookmarks bar. So now I can see my profile here. After that you can download Tiny Task. Click here and download it. Here you can see Tiny Task has been downloaded. After that open it. And now let's see how we can use it. Just drag here, and after that here you can see these are various options. Just click here record, and after that click here. The next you can click here. After that open any of the gig, then scroll down, then you can close this gig. After that just click here record button. So let's see how it works. If we click here play button, then it will repeat the same process. Let's click here. Now here you can see it is repeating the same process that we have done. In this way you can increase your Fiverr gig clicks. Now if you want to increase your Fiverr gig likes, here you can see on the top I have, just you can go to the Facebook groups. After that you can search for Fiverr gig promotion, and here you can see these are various groups. Just you can join these groups, and after that here you can see just you can exchange your gig likes. After that, the next step is just you can download Tor browser. Here you can see. After that, you can search your gig. Scroll down, here you can see this is my gig. After that, just press Ctrl, and then here you can see you can open it in various tabs. On the daily basis, you can increase your Fiverr gig clicks. Then in the result, you will get your Fiverr gig ranked. So these are the common techniques that you can use and get orders on Fiverr. Thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.